Let's create one more tutorial in Onshape. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the Extrude, full round fillet, and mirror. So open the Onshape and let's go. The first step, go to Sketch and select the right plane. Press letter N in the keyboard and press letter P to hide this plane. And select line, click here on the midpoint. Make this sketch here. And press letter D to make the dimensions here, 8 millimeters, this line here. Let me move the dimension here a little bit. And go to constraint, select equal, select this line and this one, they both has 8 millimeters. And press letter D again. This line here has 16 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 16 millimeters. We made this one. And now we will make this line here. This one. This line here has 12 millimeters of length. And it is vertical with this point here. And here we'll make a line with 8 millimeters and close the profile here. So select line again, click here. And go to dimension. This line here has 12 millimeters. And make sure that this line here is horizontal with this one. So go to horizontal, select this point and this point here. Sorry, here it will be vertical. Okay. And here, finish the sketch. And go to extrude. We need to extrude this 60 millimeters. So the profile is this one. And the end type here is blind. And the direction. Select here symmetric. And the dip here is 60 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will make this fillet. It is a full round fillet. So go to fillet and select full round fillet. And the first side, the second side, and the face to round, select this one. It is the center face. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this hole through all this body. This hole has 17 millimeters of diameter and it is coeccentric with this arc. So go to sketch and select this face. Press letter N in the keyboard. Select a circle. Find the center of this arc. Make a circle here with 17 millimeters of diameter. And here, make sure that it is coeccentric. If it is not coeccentric, you can go to constraints, select coeccentric here, select this circle and select this edge. Okay? And now, finish the sketch and go to extrude, select this circle. And the end condition here, select it through all. And the operation is remove. And press OK. We made this one. And now to create the other side, we use the mirror. So go to mirror. And here, select add. And the entities to mirror. Select this body here, the part 1. And the mirror plane, select this face. And press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.